Want to add a website to Gemini Notebook, formerly NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to import a website as a source and combine it with the documents already in your notebook. I'm using the same Sherlock Holmes notebook from my previous tutorials. It already contains the complete Sherlock Holmes canon from Project Gutenberg, along with a YouTube video about Sherlock Holmes. Now I'll add one more source by importing the Sherlock Holmes page from Wikipedia. To do that, click Add Sources. Choose Website, paste the web page's URL, and click Insert. Gemini Notebook will read the page and add it as another source in your notebook. Once it's finished, the website appears alongside your books and videos, allowing Gemini Notebook to use information from all of them when answering questions. Let's see what difference this makes. I'll ask, who was Arthur Conan Doyle? Since the original Sherlock Holmes books don't focus on the author's life, Gemini Notebook can now use the Wikipedia page to provide additional background information. Now let's ask another question. What information does the Wikipedia page include that isn't covered in the original Sherlock Holmes books? This is where adding different source types becomes really useful. Gemini Notebook can compare the information from the website with the books and point out details such as the publication history, adaptations, and information about Arthur Conan Doyle that wouldn't normally appear in the stories themselves. Just like with other sources, Gemini Notebook includes citations with its answers. You can click them to jump directly to the relevant section of the website or the original books, making it easy to verify where the information came from. Adding websites is a great way to expand your notebooks with up-to-date information and background details. Whether you're researching a topic, studying for school, or collecting information from different places, combining websites with books, PDFs, and videos can give Gemini Notebook much more context to work with. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.